today we're doing a slime collection. Like, where are my eyebrows right now? They're gone. Okay, so first slime we're gonna do a little ASMR for each slime. I'm just gonna poke it a little bit. Some don't make sounds, but some do. Okay. So this first one is a rainbow slime. And I'll show you. It's a little slimy, I think, right now. I'll turn it over. Ooh, that's really pretty right there. Right there's really pretty. So there, that's that one. So I'm not gonna actually show you while I do ASMR because then I have to keep like moving the camera and it's hard. So this is the slime. Try not to play with it too much because I don't want the colors all to mix and stuff because it's really pretty like this. So I'm just gonna leave it there now. I'm just gonna leave it there now for like a day. I can't play with it for like a day now or something. Okay. So the ones that are in bags, I have this so I can put them in ASMR or not. So this one was just a regular one because I didn't want to dye this one. So that's it. I'll probably have to. So it's kind of, I think it's a little soapy. This one's a little soapy. This one's soapy. Hey, it's got a big drop of. Okay. Okay, so that's that one. I'm not going to play with that one too much because that's really slippery and slimy. Now I have to got like a big layer. Okay, so now this one is like just a blue one. Just a regular blue one. Turn around. This one, most of these were made with detergent or eye drops. So that is what. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this up here. I don't know if this one's too good at ASMR, but it's not too good in real life. So I don't know if it sounds good on camera, but I'll see if it does. Okay, so that's that one. I'll probably fix some of these. So, and this one's like it had brown, well, not this one. This one's like a pinkish color-ish, or like an orange pink. It's like a salmonish. It's not showing what the actual color is on camera. It's more orangey on camera, but it's more pink in real life. So I'm just gonna play with this like real quick so it's not stinging. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. So that's that one. I'm still trying to upload the video of how to make slime. So don't get all mad if it's not there yet. So this one was like a 5-color, I think. It was 4 to 5 colors. I just did random colors. So it doesn't look too good because it has like brown in it. Brown, orange, purple, blue, and pink. So it's not too. Okay, so that's it because I'm not going to mix this anymore. It's inside out. Okay, so this one was a pink and purple one, but I think it mostly took away the pink. It was a pink and blue one, I think. No, pink, not pink and blue. Yeah, it was pink and blue one that turned kind of purple. Yeah, it was pink and blue, then it turned kind of purple, so. Turned mostly purple, so that's that one. I have like 2 of them that's like fully on purple, so. That's another one that's added to the list. Okay. Okay, so that's that one. So that's that one. I'm going to put those ones that I've done over there. Okay, so this one was pink, purple, and blue. It was really pretty, but then it kind of mixed together overnight, so I was kind of mad. But I'm pretty sure it's going to end up being purple. That's what it looks like. If I can't get that. It had a little pink in it. It had pink in it, but now it's kind of just disappearing. So that's that one. And put that in. Okay. So I've got one more in the bag. This one was the orange and brown one. That's why it looks kind of ugly. So, but don't judge on the outside. Could be a good. Oh. You could see the bubbles. You could see bubbles when you do it. Like you could see bubbles like on it. Like when you stretch it, you could see bubbles. Can't really see it on camera, but you could see it when you actually play it in real life. Okay, this one's not too good at ASMR, but. 3 more fall. Okay, most of these, I think only dyed 2 of these actually, because the rest are kind of bad slime, so I probably didn't dye them. Didn't want to waste food coloring on some slime. Okay, this one was kind of, it's like drying out kind of. It used to be my best slime until it started drying out. That was like a couple days ago, so. So, I don't know. This one's not too good. It's like a greenish blue. So, it's kind of hard because it's kind of hard to stretch and stuff. So, I didn't do too much with that one. Okay, this one is another purple one. It was blue and pink, but it turned purple. So, it's another one. That one's literally like slippery and stuff. Okay, so that's that one. So this is the next one. This one's purple too. Well, it's a more pink purple, but it's like magenta-ish. I've got a lot of purple. I don't even like purple that much. And it's purple. And most of my slimes are purple. Okay. So that's that one, because this one is pretty bad, so I'm not going to do too much. I don't even know if this was a pink, this was a blue, but then it turned purple from the container it's in, because the container was pink on the inside. So that's what that one was like. This one, blue. This one's blue. Oh my gosh. Nope. Nope. I'm taking that one out. So bye guys. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.